Thank you very much. Yes, you right there. Don't look behind you. I mean you. Thank you very much for subscribing and watching my videos. Because of you, because of YouTube and you, it very likely possible that I might be able to have an electric car. Otherwise I wouldn't. And so let me tell you the story why. I mean, very easy, but still. So a few years ago I got very interested in electric cars, and back then it was just impossible to own one. It just didn't fit my needs range-wise or price-wise. I just couldn't afford one. And then last year, when the Hyundai Kona Electric came out, this was the first car that had the specifications or that would fulfill my need, what I need in an electric car, and it was at a price point that was on the edge. And of course you can always afford it somehow, but pay for it and still have a normal life. I mean, it's still a car. It brings you from A to B. It's not that important. It shouldn't be that important. And Hyundai Kona was the first one who was in that range. It was around 40,000 euros, a bit less, the specifications that I wanted. And a reason why the Tesla Model 3 is not in there, because even the cheapest Model 3 in Germany, without any, so you don't change the color or anything, or interior, without autopilot, is over 45,000 euros. And yes, it's a better car. I think it's a better car than the Kona, but it's just too much money. So I am very interested in electric cars, and I want one. It will be almost my live stream to own an electric car, but my wife, for her, it's not, and totally understandable. It's my hobby. I enjoy it, and if it's not her hobby, so she doesn't care, and all she wants is a car to get her somewhere in a normal fashion, comfortable fashion. And of course I cannot afford the car myself. She's paying for it too. So we had a deal. She had an idea and we made a deal. If the electric car that I want, the monthly cost for it, so over 5 years, is the same as the car that we own right now, then we will buy one. And it's totally mean against the electric car, and somehow not, because this car we have right now is a very cheap, very old car. When we bought it, it was 4,000 euros, and it had 55 or 60,000 kilometers on it. It's 10 years old. So of course this is not nice to compare this to a new electric car. Electric cars overall are more expensive, and then of course a new one compared to a 10-year-old car. But if we finance an electric car and for 5 years, let's say, and you pay something up front, and then you pay your monthly rate, and then after 5 years you sell it again, and the last payment is the amount that the car will be worth, estimated in 5 years. So to be exact, we don't own the car at all. We just pay for using it. And so this is then fair again, because also you have to think, this car, yes, it's 10 years old, but in 5 years very likely that it won't drive in 5 years, so it will be broken. So we need something old again, and again still. So I calculated what we pay for this car monthly, and I calculated what the Kona will cost, like, or something else around the price point of 40,000 euros, and it's 100 euros more for the electric cars, like I said, around that. And of course a lot of stuff is estimated, stuff that can break in this car over 5 years. It was just estimation, but it's 100 euros. And so I wanted to come up with stuff so I can have 100 euros more a month, and then my wife will be okay with it. And in March I reached 1,000 subscribers on this YouTube channel, and I was allowed to monetize my videos, and I was surprised, amazingly surprised, that you can earn money with it. I'm very surprised. I'm very happy, thank you, but I was very surprised. I didn't think that this could work, because I thought, I don't know, a few thousand views will be €1 or something, but it's way more. So on some videos that don't have a lot of views, it's a very good amount. And right now it's only been three months, but it's on average it's more than 100 euros for a small channel that I have right now with 1,500 subscribers and videos that are never watched more than only a few, more than 5,000 times. So wow, so really thank you very much, because my wife said, yes, you're earning now money with this, so let's do it. And that's great. And this is why I put down the money for pre-ordering the Volkswagen ID.3. Otherwise I couldn't afford it when it comes out. I hope that in the end it will be a bit cheaper because of incentive, and I want to increase those and something like this. We'll see. And with the 1 year free charging, all of this, and it looks very good. So thank you very much. It's unbelievable. I'm very happy, and I didn't think that this would be possible, and I'm just so happy. Thank you. And I cannot wait to show you the car, whatever it will be. Maybe it's not the ID.3, maybe it's a different one, but I can't wait to show you the car and test everything that is just that I can think of, and the road trips and stuff like this will be amazing. I can't wait for it. Thank you again. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.